Hello, welcome to Do It Yourself channel. Today I will show you where to find the option and how to turn on notification reminders in Samsung Galaxy S22. So where to look for this option and how to turn it on. We are going to Settings, next Notifications, then Advanced Settings, and a little bit down we have Notification Reminders. To turn it on, we simply check this little box and that's it. Moreover, we have a few options right here that we can customize. For example, vibrate. We can customize every 3 minutes, 5 minutes, every 15 minutes to remind us, and we can choose apps which will be used in this reminder. That's all. I hope this video was helpful to you. Please leave a like and subscribe. Have a nice day and see you in the next video. Goodbye.